Thank you so much for making me wait. That was my question about the sleep for the first couple days on the boat, and I picked it apart in my own mind and said, what is she going to say to me? How is she going to pick it apart? And I came to the conclusion that I just need to decide that I'm going to have a great experience every morning because I've had exactly that experience for years, but I do have a lot of control over my vibration in general.
Yes.
So I came up with the phrase, I love that I always feel awesome when I awaken. I spent a couple hours in those couple days doing it, and in the ensuing days, I've woken up feeling fantastic.
And the key to that is saying it when you're feeling it, not when you're not. Because there are so many people that they want to affirm something that they want, but they're doing it because they don't have it. And when you affirm something that you want when you're not feeling it, what you affirm is the opposite of what you mean to affirm. Really good.
So, is there a super brief 3-minute way that you can explain what exactly is happening when we download the dreams when we wake up?
What you think and how you feel and what comes to you always matches. And what you think and how you feel always matches in your dream state too. So your dreams are evidence. It's like being in the receiving mode of what you've got going on vibrationally. It doesn't happen all night long. It really is something that you're receiving. What it really is, well, it's exhilarating to even contemplate it. We know that you are going to hear it as we speak this. It is, as I stand in my physical body, I've got one vibration going on. And I've been asking all kinds of things of my vortex, that my vortex is answering to me, but in my less resistant sleep state, I'm more likely to hear the answer. And so in that flash of short time, as you are coming into wake state, that's when you are receiving the download that your inner being is offering, but it's being translated through whatever filter of whatever emotional level you're at. So if you went to bed feeling pretty good, and if you've been feeling pretty good, don't you notice how delicious your dreams are? And if something's bothering you, don't you notice how troubling they are? And the subject matter of your dreams is not so significant because you make that up almost at a conscious state. It's like as we are projecting these blocks of thought to Esther, she's receiving the blocks of thought at an unconscious level, but then she's finding things that are meaningful in hers and your experience to make the analogies of what we are offering. And so very often we use a recent reference of something that Esther has lived to make the point, because that's the piece of it that's most accessible to her as she's receiving the vibration. Does that make sense to you? And you do the same thing in your dream state.
Okay.
Yeah.
Really good.
It is really good. We've enjoyed this day immensely. Be easy about it. Have fun with it. There is no homework at all. There is great love here for you. And for now, we are complete.